Welcome back. The next step in completing your research paper will be to complete your header. This is actually the first step of writing your paper. So, let's go ahead and take a look at your outline template. The header that we're talking about is right up here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can see it better on my screen. Okay, so you're going to, for line 1, you're going to select the text that says student name and you're going to replace it with your first and last name. So I'm just going to select that text and then I can just start typing right there. Okay, now the second line is the instructor's name, which is Duval Cundiff, and it already says Duval Cundiff, so you're going to just leave it exactly like it is. Now the next text that you're going to have to select is block, which is right next to English 10 in the third line. And you're going to write your class block. For example, Black 4. And then finally, that brings us to line 4. You're going to be selecting the text due date and what's in the parentheses after day, month, year. That is just to remind you how the date is supposed to look. It's very much like the works cited entry we made where the day is coming before the month. All right, you are going to also look down on the slide to see which due date is for your class's paper. You can see the gold due date and you can see the black due date, okay, on the slide. So make sure you look at the slide for that information. The information that you see me type in here is probably not going to be right for what you are doing. So I have the date first, then the month, then the year. And my heading is complete. Go ahead and move on to the next step.